So Colin, how did that go?
It went well.
So Colin and I just had a fantastic weekend with 16 amazing sketches. As usual, our travel, a comedy of errors. Colin at 6 a.m. in a car park, 9 a.m. on a flight, then 6 hours in Cheltenham enjoying his sketching and a posh coffee in the delightful McDonald's. Finally, I rescued him and we whisked off to meet the sketches where Colin acted totally natural.
This is all of us together having a good time.
A relaxed evening of sketching, meeting, chatting and re-meeting familiar faces ensued. After a quick drive back to base camp, a supermarket dash, a short nap overnight, we were up at the crack of dawn. Our mission? Setting up the charming Lower Slaughter Village Hall for an epic weekend of sketching.
Oh, it's lovely.
Coffee was our top priority, so we got that brewing straight away. Colin was, of course, back, busy capturing more artsy shots, while Toby, myself, tried and failed to look nonchalant as people arrived. Then the magic began. We kicked things off with creative icebreakers, a happy giraffe, an evil duck, and Colin's amusing struggle with a kitchen timer.
How did you find it? Fun?
Stressful.
Challenging?
Yeah. Stressful.
Stressful?
Led to everyone feeling loose and setting a playful tone for the weekend. Colin and Toby swapped painting styles and everyone jumped in bravely, trying their hand at both. Lunch was quick and we hit the Cotswolds for some plein air action. The beauty of the landscapes were inspiring, even overwhelming, but soon everyone was deeply immersed in finding and framing their perfect scene. Evening brought us to the pub for a pint, Guinness Zero of course, and some tasty grub. After another drive to base camp, a quick nap, another stop in the supermarket in the morning this time, we were back to the daily grind of sketching and creating at 8 a.m. Day 2 started with coffee, brioche and diving into outdoor sketching. Each session began with a challenge, quirky landscapes, perspective, rich village squares and lively coffee stalls. Creativity was in full swing and everyone embraced the challenges and found their own artistic voice. Lunch came and went unnoticed. I tried shouting to the world they may want to grab a snack, but alas, everyone absorbed in their work, and before we knew it, it was time to wrap up. Hugs, tears, exclamations filled the room as we look at each other's art, and genuinely saying goodbye is always emotional. Of course, goodbye is not forever, and it is only until next time. Now, let's let Colin say a few words.
Well, that's me arrived back from an absolutely wonderful trip in the Cotswolds with Toby and 16 other artists. It was just an absolutely wonderful time. We had fantastic weather. We got to know each other. We got to share skills. Toby and I demonstrated our different styles. We walked around the beautiful Lower Slaughter and just looked and drew and painted some amazing things. An absolute privilege to be able to go and do that. I hope that this video gives you a flavour of travelling there, particularly to the Cotswolds, but also gives you a flavour of who Toby and I are, our teaching styles and what it's like to be with us for a sketching weekend. I do hope that you'll join us sometime. As always, do like, subscribe and switch on your notifications so that you know whenever new videos are coming out. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye for now.